Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below. Our YouTube channel will be showcasing this American Racing wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the American Racing AR62. This one is an original style. They come satin blacks, 14x7. This one's a 40108 for those older Ford Mustangs or Mercury Cougars, which is the 40108 bolt pattern. 0 offset, 75 is the center bore. And whenever you shop for this wheel, make sure to shop this part number. AR62 473-4B. It'll take you straight to that wheel. I'm gonna open these wheels up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And then let me take this out of the box and showcase it for you guys. So I know it's a small wheel, but get this out for you. So here's your 4-lug AR62. And a 14x7 for those old school Fords. They do come with center cap. It's a push through cap from the inside. And let me see if I can take it out for you and push it through here. So this is your American Racing center cap. Comes included with the wheel, and it just slides right through so you guys can see. There you go. Conical C lug nuts will be needed onto this wheel. So and then we do carry them. We can include them with the wheels, and then just a regular valve stem. So, well, let me give you the lip size. So you guys asked what the lip size on this wheel is. Here, let me see. From the face to the edge of the barrel, close to 2.5 inches. From this crease, you're at 1.5 inches. Okay, so, oh, and then wheel weight. Let me weigh this little bugger for you. So let's check what this wheel weighs in at. You're at 14 pounds. There you have it. So 14-inch wheel for those older Ford. You have it for 108. So if you guys are interested in this American Racing wheel, they do come in polished. This is the black version. Let us know. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.